At St. Lawrence College, we understand that every student faces challenges unique to them.
For some, these challenges can affect their studies, mental health, and sense of security.
The Student Rights and Responsibilities Office is one of the college resources that can help you through challenging personal situations to support your well-being.
Launching complaints, seeking academic appeal, and reporting concerning behavior on campus are just a few of the many functions the SRRO regularly guides students through.
Assisting students with matters of sexual violence is no different.
Taking the first step in reporting an act of sexual violence or misconduct can be scary.
Where do you go for help?
Will you be judged for speaking up?
Will reporting a situation negatively impact your immigration status or your academic standing?
If you have had any of these thoughts, then you're not alone.
The reporting process starts with a confidential intake meeting with a Student Rights and Responsibilities Office staff member.
After the intake meeting, you will have the opportunity to formalize your reports with the SLC Safety and Security Department.
You will be informed of your options, such as being referred to Students' Wellness, connecting with community resources, or having the Safety and Security Department launch an investigation.
What happens next depends on how you choose to move forward. Either way, you'll have access to support programs and be guided through every step of the process.
If you change your mind, you can choose to end the process at any time.
Choosing to speak up can be difficult for everyone, but this may raise additional challenges for international students.
The fear that reporting an incident of sexual violence will negatively impact their immigration status or academic standing is a common misconception.
Making a report will not affect the student's immigration status or academic standing.
The student controls how their case is handled. The police will not automatically be involved when making a report.
The International Office is also here to support students with any challenges they might encounter while studying abroad.
International student advisors can answer questions about studying in Canada, while also helping you engage with campus community, adapting to different cultures, and much more.
They serve as an additional doorway to connect students with resources from the college and surrounding communities.